been supported by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs since 1975. It provides support for shipments of goods, used goods from Denmark, but in order to not just take all kind of trash that nobody can use in Africa anyway, that are some quite harsh quality requirements you have to live up to. But throughout the whole way, we give different kinds of support in order for you to live up to those demands. The first thing is that it needs to be from a Danish organization. The requirements of being a Danish organization in case of Recycling to South isn't the same as the ones we talked about from CISO, but we are kind of aiming to start where you guys are as an organization. You need to be an organization, you need to have some kind of public foundation, but we kind of take the point of departure in where you are today and help you build that kind of public foundation. And you also need to have a partner in the South to work with, a civil society partner. It's not enough to just have a hospital or know somebody at the Ministry of Education and then could get in that way. You need to have a local organization which is rooted in civil society. Recycling to South has 4 overall principles. The first is to fight poverty, and that is defined by this OECD DAC limit, which we talked about earlier as well. Another principle is that we support a strong and vibrant, diverse civil society with the aim of contributing to a dynamic development of democracy. And we want to create development to spark social development, and we need the projects to be based on partnerships between a Danish organization, our organization resident in Denmark, with our organization in the South. Sorry for using that word again.
Just use and say sorry.
Yeah, I will use it and remember to say sorry each time. Okay, before the shipment, if you get a successful application to Recycling for Development, you will get some help from some workshops which is situated all around in Denmark. We have 6 workshops around which help you with the technical assistance. It helps you with restore and repairing all, for instance, the hospital beds, which is quite a thing to ship out, because there are many small local hospitals where they don't have any beds, and they can get these hospital beds. But many times when they're used in Denmark, they need to be repaired, or the engine needs to be set for the electrical system in Africa, which is sometimes a bit different from here in Denmark, in order for those beds not to break and to be able to function well. We also provide support for collection and transportation of the equipment, meaning that these offices around in Denmark, they have different agreements with hospitals and schools and other institutions who call them up and say, well, we have school tables and chairs, and we know that you guys are working with this. Is that something you'll be interested in? And then you come and pick it up, and will be available for the Danish organizations applying. Yes, sir.
I have a question for the